Hi everyone, I am Abdul from AM Graphix. Today in this video, I will show you how to add logo on shirt in Photoshop. So let's get started. First, make a selection of the shirt. After make a selection, press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer. Import the logo. So go to File, Place Embedded, select Logo and Place. And transform it to the shirt size. Create a clipping mask. And change that blend mode to multiply. Go to blending options. Break the slider by holding Alt and drag with click and move to the left side. And hit OK. And see how we can easily add a logo on t-shirt. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you found this trick helpful.